showcase, we are profiling Eon Electric, one of the leaders in LED lights and a whole host of innovative lighting solutions. Let's give you a sneak peek into the making of Eon's LED masterpieces at their manufacturing plant in Haridwar. A humble beginning in Jalandhar way back in 1958. Eon Electric, then known as Indo-Asian Fuse Gear, started production of first made-in-India switch gears. There has been no looking back since then. Eon Electric Private Limited, 55 years and still going strong. It is the vision, business acumen and leadership qualities of these men that has helped Eon Electric achieve many a milestone since its inception way back in 1958 and emerge as one of the leading makers of not just LED lights but a range of electronic products like water heaters, fans, switches, lithium-ion batteries, wires and cables. Here are some of the milestones achieved by the company so far. In 1958, the company started operations with LT switch gears production. In 1978, Eon Electric gave India its first DIN MCBs. In 1997, Eon Electric achieved another milestone by setting up India's first CFL plant. By 2007, Eon Electric had commissioned its lighting plant in Haridwar. The same year, the company had commissioned 2 more plants in Uttarakhand. And in 2013, Eon Electric started manufacturing lithium-ion batteries and a range of LED lighting products.
Eon company, which came into being nearly 50 years back, it's a wonderful history of 50 years that we have gone through. It has had the privilege of building up new products from time to time, very innovative products, whether they were for safety of people who use power or it was for saving power wherever power is used. I think Eon, which was earlier known as Indo-Asian Fuse Gear, has been so well established all over India.
At Eon Electric, quality, energy conservation and consumer satisfaction are things that the company swears by and are on top of the company's agenda.
About 20 years back, we thought of saving power in lighting. And that's where, for the first time, a huge plant was set up by us for the manufacture of MCBs and CFLs, connected with CFLs. And CFL saved tremendous amount of power, which was being used elsewhere. It was everywhere very popular. Now CFLs, we discovered sometime later on that a step further has already been taken, where LEDs have come into being, which are safer than CFLs. They were excellent power savers, but they were unsafe from the point of mercury which was contained in them. So we decided to set aside the CFLs, close down that plant and start manufacturing LED lights and lamps.
Introducing the next generation of LED products, Eon Electric offers you a bouquet of LED lighting solutions to choose from. All with a lifespan of 6 to 9 years or with a light life of at least 50,000 hours, Eon LED bulbs are the brightest in the category and are designed exclusively for you so that you do not miss out on the latest global trends in design, style and efficiency.
Eon lighting fits very well with our thought process, with our design ethos, and as we feel that they bring in new technology. The LED lighting is very state-of-the-art, cutting-edge technology. They are good, elegant designs. They are energy efficient and sustainable in long-term usage, thereby creating value for our customers for a long period of time.
Having roped in the best of Japanese technology, Eon Electric's LED bulbs consumes at least 50% less energy than CFLs and at least 80% less than traditional bulbs. An LED bulb consumes 6 watt power while giving out 500 lumens against 11 watts consumed by a CFL and 40 watts consumed by a traditional bulb. So, if you want to think environment friendly, conserve energy and cut down on your energy bill, then Eon LED is the way to go.